This week I'm testing the new Mazda 3, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is this great door locking system. I can just touch the handle here with the key in my pocket and that will unlock the car. And the same with locking it again. Also, I can just not touch it, walk away from the car and it locks itself, which is fantastic if you've got your arms full of children and all their things. Number 2 is there's some really nice baby drive features in here. You can turn the rear light on just using this button up in the ceiling in the front here. The petrol gauge gives you the distance in kilometres to empty rather than just a coloured line. And you can adjust the sat-nav volume using the controls on the button here, which is really good. Number 3 is that new media system. It's really easy to use, it's much more up-to-date and modern, and really well integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And those controls down in the central console are much more intuitive now. I've really enjoyed driving the Mazda 3 this week. To see my full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.